Hi guys, look at this yummy corn hot dog that I made. Let me show you guys how I made this. Guys, the first thing you do is to boil your sausage or hot dog. So guys, I use some sausage. I prefer sausage to hot dog, so it's choice. So you boil your sausage or hot dog. You can use it like that if you wish. So look at it. I just boiled my sausage. You will know that it is done when the sausage starts making some opening by the side. Yes guys, look at that. Then I removed the water. I decanted the water. Yes, I added some cold water so that it will stop cooking. Okay, and I'm gonna set this sausage aside. Guys, can you see that? So the next thing I want to do is start to prepare my dough. Guys, that's my flour. I just added some sugar so that it will be small tasty. I added my salt. Yes, and then I'm gonna add my baking powder. That's what I just added, and I will go ahead to mix all the dry ingredients together. Guys, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. So guys, this is my milk. I want to mix all the wet ingredients now. I will put one piece of egg, which I have put now. I just added one egg, and then I will be adding some vegetable oil. That's what I'm adding. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this well. If you have a whisk, it's better. Yeah, my son just spoiled my whisk few days ago, so I'm gonna use my spoon to turn it. Okay, so after mixing that together, I will pour it into the dry ingredients and mix everything together. Guys, to make this beautiful snack, you have to make sure that you get the right consistency of your dough. That's what will determine how the snack is gonna come out. Guys, this is one of the easiest snacks you can make on the go. It's my family's favorite. I added some more water. Yes, because the wet ingredients was not enough to give me the consistency I needed. Okay, so guys, I welcome you all new members to my channel. We spread a whole lot of positivity in here. Okay, do well to hit the subscribe button and be a part of this family. To all my old subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you for always coming to support your girl. I love you all. So guys, you have to mix this till it becomes like this. You can see how smooth it is, and this is the consistency I'm looking for. So next thing, I use a film this to, wrap it. Okay, cover it, and I will allow it sit for like 10 minutes. Okay, so that's me. I just finished wrapping that. So guys, the next thing, you have to get your skewers and wash them thoroughly. That's my hot dog. I want to start preparing this while the batter is getting ready. So guys, look at that. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah, I like to cut my sausage into two because my frying pan is not that big. I don't like frying a whole sausage. Yes, so that's it. I will cut into two, and also I will cut the skewers into two. Okay, I like this size. I love it this size. Some people prefer using it whole, but I like cutting it into two. You can as well use it whole if you want to use it as long as it. No need to cut your skewers, just put your skewers. Okay, while putting that, don't allow the skewers to come out to the other side. Just put it in between. You can see that. So that's it guys. I will start. Look at that guys. Can you guys see that? Oh my god. So that's it. That's everything. Can you see how beautiful that's looking already? Then if you run out of skewers, you can use your toothpicks. Yes, my skewers get finished and I use my toothpick. If you don't have skewers and you want to make this, sister, brother, jump on it. Just use your toothpick and you will still get the same thing. So the next thing, you get a cup and you pour in your butter. Guys, look at that consistency. Can you guys see that? Yes. So after that, you start dipping your sausage or your hot dog into the butter and start frying it. So guys, while you were doing the sausage, you can put your oil, pan of oil on fire, okay, to heat your oil up, because you're gonna use oil to fry this goodness. Oh my god, who is trying this recipe? Who is trying this amazing snack? You will not regret trying it, because this is so yum. It is easy to make, it is fast, it is healthy, it is very 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 delicious. It's good for your kids, for the children, for toddlers. Oh my god, this is my son's favorite. He finished 4 pieces at a stretch. I'm telling you guys, this is a must, a must, a must prepared snack, guys. Look at that, look at that, guys. Can you see that rising? Can you see that? So that's it. You start frying. Oh my god, guys, this snack tasted so yummy. In fact, my husband was like, oh, this is so good, this tasted so good. Like I said, if you don't want to boil your sausage or your hot dog, you can use it straight up, but I like boiling mine. I want to make sure it's well done before I start this process. I love my sausages or my hot dog well done, as in I like it I don't like it half done, I like it well done. Guys, look at that color. You fry it till it's golden brown. Guys, look at that color popping up. Oh my god, this is so yum, guys. Oh god, who is trying this? Who is trying this goodness? Oh Chimo, this is so yum. Guys, can you see that? See that color, see that golden brown. So I'm bringing them out now. We are done. So fast, so quick. Guys, take a look. Oh, so yummy. So guys, this is the outcome of our corn hot dog. You can as well use corn flour if you have. I'm testing it, I'm testing it. Oh god, look at the inside. Can you try this? Please, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share it out to your family and friends, comment what you feel down below. I love you guys, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye.